Hi guys! For today's video, we're going to Tawar Mall for the grand opening of Outback Steakhouse. Ganda naman ng Pretty Mara.
Ay, bumili na siya ng cam.
Yes! Say hi naman dyan.
Sorry, I'm late.
Kita ba? Oo. Akin na.
So, ano?
Hi vlog!
Hi, vlog! Ganda ng camera, oh. Ganda. Binyagan.
Yeah, Pretty Mara. Ganda naman ang beshi ko.
Wait,
Anong
brother.
order mo?
Hi. Gusto niya? Gusto ko yung dad, friend.
Happy birthday pala.
Thank you. Yes, isang pabango from Subaru.
Ang ganda naman ng Frenny ko. Order mo?
San Sebastian.
Ayaw. Masarap nga eh. San Sebastian.
Ito kasi matamis na yan, sis.
Yeah, me and Mara, it's first time here.
Oo nga, i-vlog mo.
Okay, let's make a vlog for us. Actually, we are gonna be very busy tomorrow because it's a weekend, so it's very good you come now. So at this time also it's not gonna be very good. Enjoy!
Thank you! Thank you! Thank you!
Talagang gusto.
Fujifilm talaga.
Dinala ko kayo dito para kayo yung mag-usap.
Oo nga.
I cannot take a teaser. Is that...
Oo.
Sabi nila, patay na daw siya matagal na.